Hi, Yam. Kamusta?
Hello,
After
okay
Dugong
naman.
Buhay, ano na? What happened? Ano susunod na projects? Or...
After Dugong Buhay, I've had a lot of time to rest, to talagang re-energize, talagang reset button ulit. So it's a new and fresh beginning again for me, and I'm looking forward to a new project. I hope it pushes through though. Sa ABS din siya ulit and sa hapon. So ayoko muna magsalita, baka maudlot, but I'm looking forward to that.
Wow! Ano yung aabangan niyo sa next party? Any teaser lang? The same as parang Dugong Buhay ba na medyo...
Ito, this time around, I'll be playing a kontrabida. So, it's something new sa akin again. So, I'm really excited na laruin yung character na to. So, ayun, I've been having workshops also here and there. So, preparing for it. So, I really do hope that it pushes through. Ang ganda talaga ng storyline. I swear, it's the best storyline I've ever read.
Para excited na tuloy mapanood ng tao,
It's a
di ba?
remake actually of a Korean telenovela.
Tapos, ano yung namimiss mo during the times that you worked with AJ, we worked with your other cast in Dugong Buhay?
Ayun, nakakamiss nga sila lahat. Pero lately kasi nagpaplano kami ng get-together ulit. Lahat ng mga tiga-Dugong Buhay. Siyempre si Arjo na naman ang aming host, ang palaging siya yung nagka-cast, siya yung naghahanda ng lahat ng mga namin gatherings. Which, what I really miss sa Dugong Buhay cast is yung tawanan namin pag sa set, yung mga lokohan namin sa set, at saka working with really great actors. I really do miss that kay Dito Pimentel, kay Christian Vasquez, Sunshine Cruz, na nasa Galema ngayon. So, yun, namimiss ko lang, just being around them.
Sino yung pinaka namimiss mo? Wow, may ganon. Parang meron daw na udlot di ba? Na parang something between you and EJ ba? Or parang gano'n?
Or naman ni EJ, ever since friends talaga kami. Friends with potential nga ika nga sabi ko. So, hanggang ngayon, nandun pa rin kami, we're still getting to know each other and we're really good friends.
Wala bang nabuong something?
Wala bang nabubuo.
Wow, may plano. I mean...
sa ngayon wala. Ba't gusto mo ba may mabuo?
Oo, sayang naman, di ba? Parang naman kayong single together.
Wala muna yan. Wala pa yun sa isip ko ngayon. Kasi parang feeling ko as a beginner, mahirap ipagsabay ang career tsaka love life. Kasi di ba, medyo baka ma-distract ako Gusto ko muna mag-focus and learn a lot and, master the craft before I delve into something, work muna bago play.
How about movie? Kumbaga, the last movie you have, medyo mas daring and kumbaga yung di ba? May mga chance pa bang gumawa ka ng ganong klaseng pelikula ulit?
Wala. Well,
Legodon, right?
Legodon. Hindi natin alam po what's in store for me. That's life. We don't know. So I don't wanna say anything. I don't wanna restrict myself from saying yes or no. We'll see. But I'm very open to anything. Basta maganda ang material, then why not?
Is it okay with you again to work yung ganong klase?
Maybe to show skin, completely nude, I guess not. Kumbaga, entry point ko naman kasi yun At kumbaga, I'll do it once and na-test ko yung sarili ko how much I love the business because to the extent na nag-risk ako sa ganong klaseng genre at ginawa ko. So that just means, I guess, okay na rin siguro yan to prove how much I love the business na ginawa ko yung klaseng ganong klaseng pelikula.
Sa ganda mo yan, love life. Siyempre, dapat tanongin yan. Oo.
Wala nga hanapan mo ko.
Valentine's.
Sa totoo lang, kailangan ko ng inspiration ngayon. Wala akong inspiration na lalaki, pero pamilya ko lang ang aking inspirasyon sa ngayon.
Wala bang mga nagpaparamdam or mga showbiz?
Marami. Pero din, mga paparamdam, pero hindi yun yung priority mo ngayon. Ang hirap kasi na paasahin mo, tas wala naman mapapatungo, it won't lead to anything. So, friends lang. Collect friends.
Pero how you celebrate your Valentine's kapag ka-single ka?
Ako?
Oo.
Well, I hang out with my friends and this year, ang plano namin, all our singles club namin, we're gonna go ice skate in MOA all together and then just have a great time. Have some coffee or probably drinks after, Tanduay Ice, Tanduay Black.
May mga...
Sa brewery, sponsored ko na yun. Yun yung aking Valentine's gift sa kanila. Oo.
May tanong ka, Ricky. Thank you.